With the John Deere Operations Center on myjohndeere.com, you always have your farm in your pocket. It's easy to use and connects you with your machines, fields and operators. Setting up a new account is just as easy. Click on Create New Account on myjohndeere.com. Complete the registration form with your personal data. Click on Continue to submit your account request. You'll get a validation email. Click on Validate Profile. You'll be automatically redirected to myjohndeere.com to create your own password. Now you'll be automatically redirected to the Operations Center. As soon as you logged in, you also need to create an organization, if you were not already invited to a partner organization. To do so, just type in your organization name and press on Let Me In. Now you're ready to fill your John Deere Operations Center account on myjohndeere.com with details. This is your starting page of your Operations Center. Here you will find several icons which we will briefly explain in this video. For more in-depth information, please watch the corresponding detailed films. In the upper left-hand corner, you can see a tractor. This icon stands for all your equipment. Here you can add new machines and see further machine information, their status. The icon below is your field information. It shows you all your fields, which you have uploaded or created in the Operations Center. Here you can also add fields. The next icon shows you your jobs, if you have a My Job Connect license. Just above to the right, you can find the Tools icon. If you click it, you can see all the different features the Operations Center offers. The icon with the bell leads to the Notification Center. Here you can find new feature releases and notifications of what is happening in your account. In the top right corner, you can find your personal user menu, where you can, for example, edit your profile or log out. In the lower left corner, you see a legend of your fields. This gives you more detailed information about your field and its last operation. Up here, you can change between map and satellite view. Below, you can find map layers, which includes different functions such as equipment, location history, field, weather, and jobs. All these options can be turned on and off and are shown on your map. If you activate, for example, the weather layer, you can see in real time precipitation intensity, temperature, and wind directions directly on your map. You are also able to see a 5-day forecast. Zoom in and out of your fields to see if there are any rain clouds, and select Play to view most recent 24-hour precipitation intensity. If you have any problems, your dealer can help you to connect your machines, operators, fields, and further account setup.